Africa's economy is growing. The World Bank projects a 3.4% growth rate in 2024. This is higher than the global average. This growth is driven by several factors. These include a young and growing population. There are also vast natural resources and increasing investment. This positive trend presents significant opportunities. The continent is ripe with potential. Several key sectors are driving this economic surge. Agriculture, a traditional backbone, is being modernized. Renewable energy resources are being tapped. Infrastructure development is connecting the continent. Policy reforms are creating a better business environment. Technological advancements are driving innovation. Agriculture remains a cornerstone of Africa's economy. It employs a significant portion of the population. The sector is witnessing a transformation. Technology adoption is increasing farm productivity. Improved seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation techniques are boosting yields. Agro-processing is adding value to agricultural output. This reduces reliance on raw commodity exports. Governments are implementing policies to support farmers. These include access to credit and markets. This is attracting investment in the agricultural sector. Africa is rich in renewable energy resources. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy are abundant. These resources are key to meeting Africa's growing energy needs. Investment in renewable energy projects is increasing. This is driven by falling technology costs and supportive policies. Infrastructure development is crucial for economic growth. Improvements in transportation, energy, and communication networks are essential. These projects are connecting African markets. They are also attracting foreign investment and creating jobs. Building a better tomorrow, policy reforms and technology. Many African countries are implementing policy reforms. These reforms aim to improve the business environment. They are also designed to attract foreign direct investment. Streamlined regulations, improved governance, and investment incentives are key. Technology is playing a transformative role in Africa. Mobile phone penetration is driving financial inclusion. Internet access is connecting businesses and individuals. Startups are emerging, offering innovative solutions. This technological leapfrogging is empowering communities and driving economic growth. Challenges on the horizon. Despite the positive trajectory, challenges remain. Political instability and conflicts hinder growth. Climate change poses risks to agriculture and water resources. Investment in education and healthcare is crucial. These sectors need improvement to support a growing workforce. Addressing these challenges is essential for sustainable development. Good governance, strong institutions, and regional cooperation are key. A brighter future, opportunities for sustainable growth. Africa's future is bright. Its young and growing population presents a demographic dividend. The continent is endowed with vast natural resources. Regional cooperation is strengthening economic ties. These factors provide a solid foundation for sustainable and inclusive development. By harnessing its potential, Africa can overcome its challenges. It can become a global economic powerhouse. The world is watching as Africa takes its rightful place on the global stage. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, sending you warm hugs and surrounding you with bright white lights and love. Thank you for watching.